Welcome to our channel, and in this video we will talk about Wizardia. First, please notice the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, now let's dive right into this video. And first I do want to say that all the links you will need for Wizardia, including a link to get a 5% discount on their NFTs, will be down in the description. Alright, so first a little bit more about Wizardia itself, and then after that we'll get some exclusive gameplay to show you. So Wizardia is a play-to-earn fantasy metaverse game that takes place in a post-apocalyptic world. The game is a turn-based battler with RPG elements. In this video we will see especially that turn-based battler, and the RPG elements you have to wait for a little bit longer. So the RPG elements are things like character progression, artifact upgrades and crafting. And players can obtain and upgrade Wizards NFTs, and use them to battle PVE and PVP in the arena. And apart from that they also have two other NFTs which are quite interesting, which we will talk about a little bit later. So basically what it is that you have a team of 3 wizards represented by NFTs, as I said, and you can fight PvE or PvP to earn valuable resources within Wizardia. You can also upgrade your wizard NFTs and boost their battle capabilities with successful gameplay, and then sell, trade or rent them out in the Wizardia Marketplace. Alright, as you can see right now we are in an exclusive gameplay of Wizardia. First let's get through some of the things. As you can see, this is my team of 3 wizards. As I said, those are NFTs, and I'm fighting right now, it's PvE, but soon it will be PvP 2 against another team of 3 wizards. And what you can see is that I have a turn time, so I have to be quick, and these are my 3, the blue ones are my 3 wizards, and the 3 red ones are the other wizards. And the way this is structured is that you can see that this one is the first one to attack each round, and this one is the last one. And in that round you have a specific mana and health per wizard, and that with that mana you can do different attacks or different moves in general, and the health basically represents the strength of the wizard. So the other wizards can attack too, as you can see in this order, and then they can actually choose to attack one wizard. So let's actually start to attack right now because we only have 15 seconds left. As you can see right here, you see the mana, it's single. Here you can see the mana again, it's against all enemies. So let's actually attack all enemies to get them a little bit weaker. As you can see, you can then attack with the first one, got some damage off of all of them, and then it goes in the same order. So now our next wizard is ready to attack. As you can see, there are also moves to actually heal our own, so I could now also choose to heal this wizard right here. But let's actually try to kill one of their wizards first. Alright, so I chose to attack the middle one just to get that defeated right now, which means they only have 2 wizards left while I still have 3, giving me a huge advantage already this early in the game. And because that wizard was defeated, that also means that they no longer have an attack and I can attack immediately again. And I think it's best to actually attack another one of them immediately. And there are also, as you can see, there are multiple strategies you can actually employ on this game. And I'm on their website, and once more, all the links will be down in the description. You can easily find out more articles on some strategies and good things to do. So it definitely looks like we're winning in this one, but for example, if the game takes a little bit longer, you can also skip turns to actually get some MP. So once more now, and that strategy comes back with everything you do, because first of all we did it with all enemies, we got some damage off of all of their wizards. So now let's actually target a single enemy with the lowest health right here. This one, that looks like a good move. Maybe we can kill it immediately. No, but it's very low. And we will probably lose one of ours, but that doesn't really matter because they had to waste one of their attacks to actually kill off our wizard. And now we have our own wizards with a lot of damage to actually kill off a second wizard, which we have just done. And now it's 2 against 1, and we have more mana and health with both wizards. So it definitely looks like we're winning this one. But as you can see, this is exclusive gameplay. This will come to you very soon as well. And I would definitely recommend following Wizardia through the links down in the description. So now you can see that, for example, with this wizard right here, I don't have enough mana. So what I do is I skip the turn to actually get some MP, some mana points. So we've almost killed their last enemy. We just need a little bit more of damage, which we have just enough mana for to actually end this game and win it. Alright, so that was exclusive gameplay, but now I also want to talk about some NFTs. For example, the Arena Genesis NFTs, which there is the 6th round already on Wizardia right now, with only 655 left. You can buy one NFT for $300, and what that allows you to do is you can earn automatic staking rewards before the arena launch and earn passive royalties from every battle transaction after the arena launch. So here you can actually pay in BNB, then once you have the NFT and you can buy it with 5% 5% discount through the link down in the description. Once you have the NFT, you can earn passive income. Apart from that, from the top menu right here under Wizard NFTs, you can also buy your own Wizard NFTs. And from those Wizard NFTs, you can easily add them to your card and pay with BNB or other payment solutions such as USDT or USDC. Apart from that, as something I think is very exciting too, is that they also have Market Genesis NFTs, which again allows you to earn passive rewards from every transaction which takes place in the Wizardia market. So right now they're in their first round, 1618 left, $225, so a little bit less, and you can save $11.25 right now using our code down in the description. So again, an opportunity to buy an NFT to earn passive income. Alright, so with that we have reached the end of this video. We talked about Wizardia, their different NFTs and Wizard NFTs, but we also showed you some exclusive gameplay from the Wizardia game itself. So once more, I do want to remind you that all the links you will need will be down in the description. But for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments about questions I might have missed and subscribe to our channel. Bye.